Welcome back. In this video we will write a program to calculate factorial of any number using C programming language. So what is the factorial? So the definition of factorial is the factorial of a number is the function that multiplies the number by every natural number below it. So let's understand it by one example. So the factorial of any number, in our case the number is 5, is multiplication of each number below it. So 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 120. So the factorial of any number is the function that multiplies the number by every natural number below it. So let's write the code to calculate factorial of any number in C programming language. First of all, we will declare a variable and take a user input, and the number which the user enters, we will calculate the factorial of that number, and then we will display our result. So let's begin. Hash include stdio.h, it is our header file. Let's declare a number of integer type. Integer number is equals to, let's, by default it value as 1. Printf, let's give the user a message to enter a number. Please enter a positive number. Scanf, let's take the input using scanf function. %d for integer, ampersand our variable which is number. So we have taken a user input, a number from the user, and let's print the number the user has inputted. So %d and number. Let's run this code and see if everything works fine. Please enter a positive number 5, and 5 is printed. So our code is working. Now we will calculate the factorial. We will have two more variables. One is counter to keep count of the multiplication, and then one is factorial which will store the result calculated. So for counter equals to 1, counter less than number, counter plus plus. Now let's write the logic to calculate the factorial of the number. So we will store our result in the variable factorial, and we have to multiply factorial with counter, and initially the value of factorial will be equals to number. Why? Let's understand why I have assigned number to the factorial. So here number is, let's assume the number is 5. So I have assigned factorial is equals to number which is 5, and we are doing factorial equals to factorial into counter. So initially the value of counter will start from 1. So counter will be 1, and we will calculate factorial. So factorial is equals to factorial into counter, factorial multiplied by counter. So 5 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 5. Then the value of counter will be increased, so value of counter will become 2, and it will check is 2 less than number. So 2 is less than 5 is true, so again this line will be executed. So now counter is 2 and the factorial will become, let me do it in more proper way. So factorial will become 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. Now the counter will again increase, so counter will become 3 and it will check is the value of counter is less than our number. So 3 is less than 5, it's true, so factorial will become 5 factorial will become 10 multiplied by 3, which is 30. Now counter will become 4 and it will again check is the value of counter is less than the number. Says 4 is less than 5, so factorial will become 30 multiplied by 4, which is 120, and again the counter will become 5. Now the counter will become 5 and the condition is 5, counter less than number, so value of counter is 5 and value of number is 5, and 5 less than 5, the condition will output false, so the for loop will break and the value of factorial will remain as 120. So this is how we are calculating factorial of any number. So let's print the value of factorial after this for loop. Printf %d comma factorial. Let's run the code and let's comment out this line because it's not important for us. Let's run it. So the factorial of 5 is 120. Let's run it by giving some other inputs. Factorial of 8 is 40320. So this is how. Let me check is the factorial correct or not. So let's calculate factorial of 6 first. Factorial of 6 is 720, then factorial of 7 is 5040, and then 5040 multiplied by 8, which is 40320. Let's run it for factorial of 8. Factorial of 8, which is 40320. So you can see that our program is working fine. So this is the code to print factorial or calculate factorial of any number. In the next video we will write some more code for some other functionality. Thank you very much. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.